Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central El Paso County in east central Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Colorado Springs, Falcon, and Cimarron Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
But why does that look like... Hold up. Why does that... Why does it look like a tornado? Okay, that's not... Okay, that's just a special weather statement.
At 4:45 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central El Paso County in east central Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 10
you guys heard about that in
miles an hour.
Iowa?
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Colorado Springs, Falcon, and Cimarron Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Falling apart for some time with bricks.